Welcome back to Homespot. Are you looking for a fun, easy way to celebrate spring without spending a dime? Before you toss out those fallen branches from your yard, wait. Today, we are turning simple twigs and bark into 15 adorable, rustic garden decorations that anyone can make. Let's get crafting. Bring the cheerfulness of spring daisies into your garden with this simple twig stake. By arranging small, uniform branches around a rustic bark center, you can craft a lovely wooden flower that never wilts. Planted among your blooming crocuses, this natural daisy adds a sweet, handmade touch that perfectly complements the season's fresh beauty. Add a touch of whimsy to your garden pots with this adorable branch snail. Coiling a thin, flexible vine creates a perfect spiral shell, while a tiny forked twig makes the cutest antennae. Resting on a mossy rock near your colorful spring pansies, this little wooden creature brings quiet charm to any garden corner. Capture the magic of making a wish with this branched dandelion puffball. Radiating thin twigs outward from a central wooden knot creates a wonderful, delicate seed head shape. Standing tall on its sturdy stake among the emerging green shoots, it brings a playful, nostalgic energy to your vibrant spring garden beds. Welcome essential spring pollinators with a rustic mini-bee hotel. Bundling hollow stems and twigs tightly together with hemp twine creates a perfect resting spot for solitary bees. Hanging neatly from a weathered fence post, this simple project is not just a charming decoration, but a helpful addition to your thriving garden ecosystem. Invite good luck into your garden with this charming branch ladybug. A simple round slice of wood painted bright red with cheerful black spots instantly transforms into a classic spring beetle. With tiny curved twigs for legs, this rustic little ornament looks perfectly happy resting on a vibrant green leaf in the sun. Support your newest spring climbers with love using this twig heart trellis. Tying two gently curved branches together forms a sweet, delicate frame for young vines to grab onto. Planted firmly in the soil, this handmade trellis acts as both a helpful support and a beautiful symbol of growth in your garden. Create a tiny woodland scene at the base of your trees with this branch mushroom cluster. Gluing rounded bark caps onto short, stout stems and adding hand-painted white spots brings these rustic fungi to life. Nestled in a bed of soft, bright green moss, they add a magical, fairy tale touch to the garden. Celebrate the return of spring birds with this simple twig robin perch. Assembling just 5 short branches creates the charming silhouette of a classic garden visitor, resting proudly on a moss-covered log among the fresh spring wildflowers. This wooden bird sculpture brings a quiet, natural elegance to your outdoor space. Catch the bright spring sunlight with this decorative branch spiral. Binding concentric rings of thin, flexible twigs together and weaving colorful ribbon through the wood creates a lovely rustic ornament. Hanging delicately from your garden fence, it sways gently in the breeze, catching the light and adding motion to your yard. Celebrate the nesting season with this miniature woven twig bowl, shaping young, flexible shoots into a shallow nest and filling it with smooth pebbles and vibrant moss creates a beautiful focal point. Tucked safely in the branches of a small bush, it feels like a genuine, natural discovery in your sunlit garden. Add a buzz of excitement to your garden with this delightful honeybee stake. Painting an oval branch slice with cheerful yellow and black stripes immediately captures the spirit of spring. With flat twig wings attached to the sides, this rustic bee hovers joyfully among your bright blossoms, bringing a smile to anyone passing by. Bring playful color to your garden beds with this whimsical Twig Caterpillar. Gluing uniform branch slices onto a larger piece of bark creates a charming little crawler. Painted in alternating pastel spring colors like pink and green, this cheerful ornament is perfectly at home resting among your blooming flowers and fresh grass. Express the joy of the season with a rustic twig word sign. Spelling out a cheerful word like bloom, using small, straight twigs glued onto a rough bark backing creates a beautiful garden message. Leaning casually against a planter filled with vibrant tulips, it reminds everyone to enjoy the natural beauty around them. Celebrate the fresh growth of the season with a small twig and moss wreath. Weaving flexible green shoots into a tight circular loop provides the perfect base for tiny dried flowers and vibrant moss. Hanging neatly from a vintage garden spade, this rustic ornament is a beautiful tribute to spring's arrival. Capture the gentle spring breeze with this charming branch windmill. Attaching flat, thin bark paddles to a central twig axle creates a rustic spinner that loves the wind. Mounted securely on a sturdy stake among your blooming flowers, it adds a relaxing, kinetic energy to your peaceful garden space. And there you have it, 15 simple, natural ways to bring the charm of spring to your garden using just fallen branches and a little creativity. Whether you made the tiny bee hotel, the rustic daisy stake, or the whimsical fairy door, these small touches make a big difference. If you enjoyed these DIY ideas, please hit that like button, subscribe to Homespot for more garden inspiration, and let me know in the comments which project you're trying first.